Purchasing Guidelines for Cement. Hello friends, today I will explain to you the guidelines for purchasing the cement. Specification of Cement. The cement required for construction should be factory manufactured from a reputed manufacturer. It must not be from the local plant manufacturer. Care should be taken that the cement is properly packed from the factory, not be hand-packed locally. While taking supply of cement manufacturing date, grade and type should be checked. The cement should not be more than 6 weeks old from the date of manufacturing. Precautions while purchasing cement. Cement is the most important raw material used in a building. You should ensure the quality of cement using a few guidelines. The cement should be factory manufactured instead of plant manufactured. The cement should be packed in the bags of synthetic jute or polypropylene bags. The cement bag should not be hand-stitched. The cement bag should bear the manufacturer's name or his trademark on it if any. The cement bag should bear the grade and type of cement. The cement bag consignment must have an identification mark on the package. The cement bag should indicate the date of manufacturing. One cement bag should have 50 kilograms weight. The cement bag should not be older than 6 weeks from the date of manufacturing. Do not purchase cement bags that are partially set due to moisture. Do not purchase if there are small lumps in the bags. Do not purchase cement bags that are pressed or have lumps due to the high pressure of the stack having more than 10 to 12 bags. Do not take cement bags that are torn by side and stitched in later. Precautions while transporting cement bags. Care should be taken to carry the bags in a clean vehicle which is not dusty or on earth etc. It will reduce the strength of the cement. During the monsoon season, the cement should be carried under covered polythene or tarpaulin. Care should be taken that the labor should not air the bags while loading and unloading the cement bags. Precautions while stacking cement at site. Store cement in a moist-proof storage area, otherwise the quality of cement will be affected. Cement should be stacked in a shed/fumes, which is dry, leak-proof, and moisture-proof. Cement should be placed on dry brick floors, on wooden crates, or on the planks. In any case, the cement bag should not be stored on the earth. The stack should not be higher than 10 bags to avoid lumps under pressure. The cement bag should not be stacked with the outer wall. Cement from different manufacturers should be stacked separately. The cement should be used on a first-come first-use basis. During monsoon season, cement bags should be covered with polythene. The cement bags should be kept close together to reduce air circulation. Caution in cement handling. When construction work is given to a contractor, make sure he takes proper care of the cement. A lot of time contractors do not care for proper storage of the cement at the site as it costs them labor time and money. In some cases, it has been seen that after laying the RCC slab on some part of the building, the contractor dismantles his temporary store at the site and places cement on the ground floor of the building which is under construction. This is not good as the cement bags may draw moisture from the floor and walls, as the new building is wet due to construction work in progress, which results in a reduction of strength in cement. Due to the absorption of moisture by cement during storage, cement retards hardening and reduces strength. It is okay for cement to absorb up to 1.2% moisture as this level of moisture is acceptable, but if absorption exceeds 5%, the cement is destroyed for all practical purposes. Different types of cement should not be mixed while using them for constructional purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.